Good evening. I am Major General Dr. Shripal, Visit Seva Medal, retired. I have come today to Hotel Hyatt to attend a seminar on stroke conclave. This seminar has been arranged by Wires of Healthcare, and as I have been talking to you, that carbon dioxide level in the environment is continuously increasing. Before industrial era, that is before 19th century, the carbon dioxide content in air used to be between 280 parts per million to 300 parts per million. Today, here in front of Hotel Hyatt, we have placed this device to measure what is the carbon dioxide level in the environment. And you can see the carbon dioxide level here on the ring road where Hyatt Regency is located. It is 583 parts per million. 577, 583 parts per million is the outdoor carbon dioxide level, which used to be 280 parts per million earlier. Now we will move inside the hotel. Now we have come to the lobby where this conference is taking place. This conference is the National Stroke Conclave, organized by Wires of Healthcare. We will place this device for some time here and we will record the reading of carbon dioxide content inside. So as we have moved inside the Hotel Hyatt, where conference is taking place, we are in the lobby here and you can see what is the carbon dioxide level, which was 550 parts per million outside on the roadside. Now inside Hyatt Hotel at the lobby, it has become 951 parts per million. You can see the reading 951 parts per million. Now we will move inside the conference hall where this is taking place. Now we have come inside the conference hall where this conference on stroke conclave is taking place. Now you can see here the CO2 level in this conference hall now found to be 1200 parts per million. So you can see that outside in the open environment in Delhi, the CO2 level was around 550 parts per million. When we entered the hotel in the lobby, it was around 950 parts per million. And inside the conference hall, it is 1200 parts per million. And gentlemen, the permissible level of carbon dioxide for health point of view has been prescribed as 800 parts per million. So you can see that the environment, both in the lobby and in the conference hall, is not a healthy environment as far as the CO2 content in indoor air is concerned. Now for patients, this level of CO2 has been prescribed in Indian Standard Code, and it is given there that in breathing air for a patient, the carbon dioxide air in breathing air should not exceed 500 parts per million. This is just an example I have given you about Hyatt Hotel, but for your information, we have carried out survey in all hotels, hospitals and all public places in India, and generally this is the conditions. Here in Hyatt Hotel, the condition is still slightly better, acceptable, because it is just 1200 parts per million, slightly more than 1000 parts per million. But in many places, this CO2 level in indoor environment, in hotels, in hospitals, in all public places, offices, is generally found ranging from 1500 parts per million to about 2000 parts per million, and in some of the places it is even found crossing even 3000 parts per million. So that is why we say that outside is becoming unhealthy, but indoor environment is about 3 to 4 times more toxic than the outside environment. Therefore, there is a requirement of having a suitable system of purifying the indoor air, maintaining the indoor air quality as per standards laid down in India and in international standards.